So the 5G trial is basically looking at how we can reduce the amount of paperwork and effort to run the business as we grow. What we're going to do is take 25% of our machines and digitise them through 5G so that the machine will talk to our ERP system, and we'll also be able to use some digital quality by taking high resolution images of products and sharing that with our suppliers.
The Worcestershire 5G testbed is built to support Industry 4.0 applications, whether that's large organisations or SMEs. We're working on a number of use cases to demonstrate productivity gains and improvements and help AE Aerospace build a glass factory.
In essence, the glass factory concept is the ability for our customer to not only see where their parts are in the system and what's the expected delivery date against their plan, but also to see what our future capacity is and be able to offer that as a service by selling that capacity to them straight away.
Fit Factory will be providing software to capture more information across the whole factory and provide insights so that AE Aerospace can make data-driven decisions based on the information that they're collecting. Broadly, this goes into 3 categories around machine servitization, asset location tracking, and product quality. We're helping to capture more information from the shop floor to track where assets are at any particular time on the factory. There's a real importance to capture data in real time from your people, from your plant, from processes, products and partners. When you've got insight like that and it comes in real time, it needs to be curated. Making data-driven decisions, not just in the manufacturer but across the whole supply chain, it can help improve product quality. At Fit Factory, we feel like we're more than an ERP provider. We feel like our commitment is to helping our customers adopt Industry 4. So we need to be ready when our customers are ready for these new technologies.
At Vision Intelligence, we develop edge AI camera systems that allow us to extract data from the shop floor. That includes everything from the human actions and the processes, people and the plant. We are developing an edge AI camera that is going to enable us to create a traceability file around various parts on their high precision surfaces. If a scratch is detected, the system is going to pick that up and create a file that joins with a physical asset that can then be tracked. Because the file sizes of the defect detection system that we're creating are going to be very large, 5G is going to enable us to transfer those large files to the various partners within the project as well as within the supply chain in a rapid and a secure environment.